Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade futures using the Moomoo platform. First, you need to set up your Moomoo account if you haven't already. Download the Moomoo app from the App Store or Google Play and follow the registration process. Once your account is created, you can fund it to start trading futures. Make sure you have a good understanding of futures trading and what it entails. Next, navigate to the futures section on the Moomoo app. Here, you will find various futures contracts available for trading. Take your time to explore different options and learn about the underlying assets, expiration dates, and contract specifications. It is crucial to analyze market trends and use the available tools to help you make informed decisions. Moomoo provides advanced charting features and technical indicators for your analysis. Once you've selected a futures contract you want to trade, you can place an order. Click on the contract and choose whether you want to go long or short. Input the number of contracts you wish to trade and set your limits if necessary. Review your order details carefully before executing the trade. Keep in mind that futures trading involves significant risks, so always have a plan in place for managing your trades. After your trade is executed, monitor your position closely. Moomoo allows you to track live market data and manage your open positions efficiently. Be prepared to adjust your strategy based on market movements and your financial goals. Finally, consider practicing with a demo account to gain experience before trading with real money. Happy trading!